Look, we just gonna take a little sneak. Jam squad. Yo, it's like every time I do my intro, I'm coming down the stairs. And it's like when I'm coming down the stairs, I'm starting my day. So you feel me? When I'm coming down the stairs, you ready for it? You feel me? But hey, today, not even today, right now, I'm about to go to career link. Man, I'm about to go link up with these careers real quick. Got the keys? Do I got the keys? I got the keys. Alright, so when I get the career link, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to Korean Lake, man. Alright, so Jam Squad, I did what I had to do, you feel me? Now, I'm hungry, but I'm contemplating if I wanna cook or if I wanna, DQ. No, I ain't gonna do it. What do I have in the house to eat? I think I want to make some waffles with some chicken. Hopefully. Oh! Fingers crossed. Hopefully I'm good to go next week. That will be job 2. In the loop. You know how that go. If you don't know how that go, you living it up. I'll soon be like you, my guy. But I'm gonna holler at y'all at the Bribbo. I think I'm gonna do like a little montage. I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do a little montage for y'all, Jam Squad. Three, 2, 1, done. We got that adobo. You feel me? You gotta have that adobo. Look. I know y'all see who I am. Boom. Adobo. Check. Parsley. Great value. Best parsley in the game. You feel me? Cheapest parsley, best parsley in the game. Don't be ashamed. You feel me? It's $1. Do what you do. Do what you do, boo. Do what you do. We got the Rika. If y'all don't know what the Rika is, I'm about to show you a 2.5. Damn. We got the Rika. Hey, Rika. How you doing, Rika? And alright, look. Feel me? You ain't fucking with the big dog. Boom. Crushed red pepper. See, I like spicy. My mom don't. I ain't gonna OD. I think I just did. Oh well, it's alright. It's gonna get diluted with the stock. Ooh, wait, hold up. Basil. You can't make chicken noodle soup with no basil. You see? Look. Come holler at me. Look, boom. I know y'all like, you just added adobo. Onion powder. I ain't add that much adobo. I added a little bit. I ain't add that much. Boom. See, look. It even make the food look brighter. Onion, check, boom, done. On to the next. I ain't forget. You got the pepper. I just burnt my damn hand. Sorry, though. I done felt worse. You got the black pepper. Boom. Done. I cook fast, efficient, and great. Best season in the mother game! Tony Chachere's. I still don't know how to say it. Never did. But the Tony Chachere's do his thing. You feel me? But hey, where my spatula at? Hold on, here we go. Ooh, wait, let me move that. Let me move that. Let me move that. Hold on, look at the. Hey! I know y'all see them colors. Yo, hold up. Stop moving. Stop moving. You got to cook the correct way. But hey, look. I know y'all see this. Look. Look how this look, y'all. I wish I could smell this. I really wish I could smell this, yo. I just want to eat it like this. I get some rice and eat this right over the rice. Ooh. 3J Jam, new diet. I gotta figure out the artificial fats, ingredients, and all that. But this about to be a diet. Sauteed vegetables with just rice. Ooh, for how many days though? Ooh, I don't know though. Alright, so look, boom. I think it's time for them to get wet. Oh, hold up. Time to get. Hold up. Hey, look. Y'all see this? This chicken. You feel me? This is what I'm doing with my leftovers. It's cold outside. I came home from Career Link and I was like, I want me some soup. I'm going to cook me some soup with that chicken bone I got in the air fryer. So now I got to do what I got to do. But hey, I'm going to be back with the chicken in the broth, in the pot, ready to cook so I can go back upstairs and play Fortnite. You feel me? And 3, 2, 1, let's go. Broth in. Okay? It's in. It's in. It's in. I'm gonna bring this out to a ball. And then I still got some more seasons that gotta go in it when the water come in because all the seasonings get diluted and I need my soup seasoned. You feel me? You see me? I need seasoning. You feel me? I need taste, flavor, all that. I need all that. Okay? And then when it's done, I'ma grab, son. This chicken was cooked in the air fryer. I think I'll cook everything in the air fryer now. Ever since this gadget has been bought in this house, I've been cooking on the air fryer. But hey, look. Oh my God. Y'all hear that? You hear that? Now y'all see this little hole where it's at? Where you at? Where you at, hole? There you go. Boom. You see this right chair? When the steam start coming out of that means it's real. I'm waiting. So I can season you and go upstairs. And then I gotta come downstairs and put the noodles in you. I know y'all probably like, this joint is hot. Why is you playing? Because it ain't that hot. It feel warm. It's so cold out here. It feel warm. Oh shit, stop. Y'all, ooh, wait. You're foggy. Let me back up. Hold up. Oh. Now I know y'all see that chicken bone. Y'all see that chicken body corpse. All that flavor from that bone, from them seasonings, and the chicken I made. Yes, I made the chicken. We dogged it. There's still some meat on that bone. That's why I'm like, hold up. I finna make me some soup, bitch. Never again. Comment down below if you know what this seasoning is from me just doing this. Hold up, this. I'll give you a little chicken leg. Comment down below if you know what seasoning packet this is before I even show y'all. If you know what this is, I believe you can cook. Straight up. 21 Savage style. Straight up. You know how to cook. You know how to cook if you know what this packet is. Just from the corner of that thigh. You feel me? Just the corner of that thigh on this packet. If you know what this packet is, I'm coming in your house to eat. But I think we good. I think I could season it. And then I could go back upstairs and let it simmer. Let all the... That's what... Right. Boom. If you got the seasoning right, congratulations. We ain't got no prizes. Sazon. Is that sazon? Is that sazon? That's that sazon. That's that sazon. And I got 2 more things. And I know y'all know, like, alright, look. Y'all don't understand. If y'all could just taste it, y'all will understand. But y'all don't understand. Oh, what's that? What I just moved across the camera? What's that? Ooh, holla at me. Throwing dollars in here. I'll throw 2 in there. Let's get it. We throwing cash over here. Say that in. And then in a little bit, 1 more sprinkle around. 3, 4, 5 more. 8, 9. We good. Let me get my spat. Chula. Ooh. 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 Y'all can't even see. Ooh. Hold up. I got y'all. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Boom. Got you. Got you. But look. Ooh. Look at the vegetables going inside the. Ooh. Boom. Go ahead. I got you. Go ahead. Go right ahead. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Alright. So boom. I think we good. We good. We good. Hold on. Let me taste that. Let me put it up in there too. Hold up. Let me taste that. Hold up. I ain't even gotta have the broth. I could just taste the flip. Look, you see that little flick of flavor? Hold up. I got y'all right now. Boy! Y'all hear how I'm smacking? In the meantime, come on. What cereal am I eating right now? What cereal did I buy yesterday? Comment down below what cereal I bought yesterday. If you know what cereal. By the sound of that crunch, you should know what cereal I'm eating. What cereal did I buy yesterday? Comment down below. Hold on. You got it wrong. I know. You ain't watched my video yesterday. Go watch it. Right now. Stop this one. Go watch yesterday's video. And then come back to this same part. And then we could be friends again. But until then, go watch the other video. Like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Now, hey, I'm really about to go upstairs now. Like, right now. Like, literally this second. Right now. Bones out, everything out. Now this is just the broth with the vegetables and the chicken. I got it on 8 because I'm trying to bring it to a boil so I can put the noodles in. Because once I put the noodles in, and the noodles I got rotel. You gotta roll your rotel. You feel me? Best noodle ever. Ooh, I wanna make some macaroni and cheese. Ooh. Soak up the juice. I don't really like my soup that runny. Like, I like chunky, thick. You feel me? Chunky, thick. So, if anything, it's gonna be the moisture from these juices that's already in here and the steam that's going to cook the noodles. It smells so good, right? It smells good. Look at that steam. I know y'all see it now. I told y'all get red when that steam come out that, Talk your shit, man. Talk your shit. Look, we just gonna take a little sneak. Alright, so Jam Squad. I'm on to something right now. I don't know what it is, but I'm on to something. I have this pot of food right here in front of me that was supposed to be chicken noodle soup. And that's what I've been jacking the whole time I've been recording, right? Why I just hear somebody? Anyway, what I'm about to show y'all is some real gangster living. Like, when I just tasted this, bruh, it made me rethink Campbell's, Chunks, whatever. It just made me rethink every soup I ever had. But the part about it is, it's not a soup no more. Remember how I said I didn't want to add no water? Because I like my stuff chunky and thick. And thick and thick. And that's just what I got. So it's not chicken noodle soup no more. This meal is called Adobo based Ragu. Because that's what came out. All them juices dissolved and went into the noodle. And when you take a bite into the noodle, I can't explain to y'all how good this shit is. Bruh, look at this. You see liquid in that? None. This shit done turned into a chicken noodle soup adobo based ragu. Everybody make it right now. Stop the video, go in your kitchen, get the ingredients, make it right now. This shit is great. I don't know what I just created, but Lord, have mercy on my colon. This shit is good. And it's healthy because the chicken was air fried. The vegetables were sauteed and extra reload about it. Extra virgin olive oil with a little bit of butter, as in a whole stick bit, as in a whole little, you feel me, a little bit of butter, just a little bit, and some love and attention and affection. That's all food need. It be the little things that matter. Even in the little things that matter, bruh. Now, when I tell y'all I'm finna grab on this food so hard, bruh, I'm about to grub. So, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. I hope you laughed. I hope I made you smile. But I gotta go for a while. Hey, I gotta go for a while. Hey, about 24 hours or so. And then I'm gonna let you know for sure. Alright. Hey, man. I'm not a rapper. I'm a poet. But hey, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, man. Until next time. Holla at ya. Guala. Hold up. Jesco.